Here we are, back with another one. Miss Moneymaker, anything that moves. In this video, we're going to talk about Marathon, right? Marathon Digital. We're going to talk about CleanSpark, okay, the stock. We're going to talk about the Easter egg stock that I have in this video that's outperforming CleanSpark and outperforming Mara's chart also. So we're going to get into all of these things. So stay tuned, especially at the end of the video. We're going to have a little conversation, a little motivation. Alrighty, we're going to start with CleanSpark. Alrighty. So why are we talking about this right now? Why are we talking about CleanSpark? This is digital mining. You already know that. That's why you're here. Digital mining companies. Let me get my marker out. Alrighty, wanted to get my marker. You see how this red little dotted line that's going across? So we're at $15.56. Okay. We touched here before. See, so it's like a lot of touches in this area. We're looking at CleanSpark on the 4-hour time frame. A lot of touches happen here. It went below here, I know, but a lot of touches at this area. Okay. So it's a possibility. Yes, maybe it'll hold here because see before here, boom, and it went up. So it was a support level before. It was a support level before. Again. So that's like 3 times at least, right? Here again, 4 times. So it could do the same thing here. Or will we go down a little lower? So let me just draw the trend line real fast here. This is CleanSpark. Okay, so where we are here all the way to the price. Okay, right? Or will we go to the next level down for everybody who wants to buy in? Will we go like right around here? All right. So you see that price, all right, around the $14.39. See, it kind of meets with this orange line, 200-day moving average. So if we break through this $15 level here, $15.56, CleanSpark, then yes, it could go to this area and then curve up. Okay, it's done that before. All right, price when it came above this level before of $14.39, it came back, it touched it, and boop, and went up. So these are your 2 levels. Now, for everybody who wants to buy in, I'm buying in. Yes, I like this whole area then as a buy zone for me, right? Everything in here is a buy zone. So everything between this price range is a buy zone for me. If we drop below that, that's a whole nother video. Okay? That's a whole nother video. So I want to show you that so you would see this is what it looks like for the performance. Okay? For the week, 3 months, 6 months, and etc. You see the technicals, what the technicals are saying right now. But what are the analysts saying right now? Analysts are saying this, but the technicals, these are the technicals, are saying we're in a little sell zone because we're still having some downward pressure. We could go to here, or maybe we'll stop here. The thing is, you never know. If the market continues to sell off, there's a lot of downward pressure, then we may go here, right? So you have to see. So you just, you could just wait and slowly, you see. So now this is CleanSpark. All right. Now, also for CleanSpark, I wanted to show you that for the year, how much are we up for the year? 268% for the year for CleanSpark. That's nice. I like something to, that's nice. It's adorable. But hey, Miss Moneymaker, what about that Easter egg you said? You mean this? You mean this right here? ALAR? ALAR. Yeah. Yes, that one right there. ALAR. I love when we just nicely, we're in such an upward direction. Okay. This is on the 4-hour time frame. How much is it up for the year? Hold yourself. Are you ready? Hold yourself, people. Look at that number right there. Yes. Let me get the marker. That deserves to be highlighted. Let me put it in yellow and let me make it big and fat. All right. This, hold on. Let me click it because, click. Okay. There we go. Highlight it again. 1,000. 295%. 1,295%. Could you hear me? 1,295% for the year. Look at that. Upward sloping. Okay, let's go back. That's the Easter egg. ALAR. Look into it. Based in, here we go, Israel right there, founded in 2013. Okay, you can look and do a little bit of homework on that one. That is Easter egg. Look how it's been going up for all these years. You know, nicely. Let me switch to, just give me a second. I'll switch to another time frame. Right here on the daily, I had to fix the chart right there. Okay, looking lovely. Okay, so it doesn't seem to want to take a rest. So that's nice. We'll talk about this in another video. I'm definitely going to have another video all about that stock. Let's move on because we have people here for Mara. Okay? Leader in the Bitcoin mining industry. Between Mara and CleanSpark, you know, I like them both. You know, and then since the whole hash rate problem and because of the Bitcoin is reduced because we had the halving event, so there's less, you know, Bitcoins. So there's a problem with, you know, producing them and everything, the cost and all that. So some of these other smaller companies, something's going to have to, like, they're not going to be able to sustain the profitability, right? So I wonder if Marathon will acquire some of these lesser companies. Will Marathon acquire CleanSpark? I don't know. But hey, I mean, why not? So here we go. Marathon. So I don't know. I'm just talking about that. I don't know. I didn't hear anything, by the way. I didn't hear anything. But I was listening to Marathon, back to Marathon. I was listening to, hold on. Let me pull this guy up. Hold on. Give me 1 second here. I was listening to Mr. Man in the interview, and he was like, some of these smaller companies are not going to be able to make it, right? And he says, so there will only be a couple of large Bitcoin mining companies left because the others, some will be acquired. So I'm just saying. So that's where I got that from. But no one said who's acquiring who or anything, you know, so let me just stop my drama right there. So anyway, now we're going to talk about Mara. Okay, so now, alrighty. Doesn't it kind of look like the CleanSpark chart, right? See, similar kind of action going on here. So now everybody wants to know, well, okay, by the way, I sold some up here, okay, because I was like, when we hit, if you heard my other videos from before, when you're going into the 200-day moving average, you can get rejected. You can get rejected and come down. And that price was around here. Like, so say this is $20, that's $22, so around $21, right? We can get rejected and come down. I said, okay, sell. So Miss Moneymaker was, you know, selling some of the position. I still have some, of course, because I'm like always rotating shares in and out and whatever. This is just a whole ongoing thing for a lot of stocks. Okay, so anyway, so now we're heading down and everything. This is a big candle right here. Okay, so we have some downward pressure. You see this purple line? So that purple line right there, the 50-day moving average, we're below that. We're below this green line, 20-day moving average, below this one. We're below like 1, 2, 3 lines. Moving averages give us support. And when we're below it, it's like, oh my gosh, it's kind of hard to get through. Like, see before here when we had to get through these lines, 1, 2, it shot. Like, see how it went boom? The green candle went up so high. It takes a lot of effort to get above them sometimes. And a lot of effort sometimes to get below. And we're below. Will we stop here because we touched this area before in the past? So will we stop here and base out? If you're going to buy now, you want to make sure you base out. What do you mean base out? Like, you see how a couple of candles to turn around? Like, let it slow down. Like, the knife is falling right now. Don't catch the knife. Like, zoom, daggers. Don't try to catch the falling daggers. Let it slow down and start coming up. So since we're like still like we're a little falling here, right? Because see, like another candle, see? Like falling knives. See how fast it falls? These are days, right? So let it slow down, base out. This is an example of what I mean by, you know, give it a couple of days to like slow itself down and turn around. Okay, so maybe we're going to go down here to this level. That's what I'm saying. Maybe we're going to go down here to this next level here. So around the 16th, and then maybe we'll base out and go up. Now, if we don't, because you see from the past before, last time, look here where it was faking this out over here, right? It went below it. Let me just make a trend line there. Okay, let me just make a trend line. All righty, hold on, like right about kind of like here. Okay, just give me a second. Mara just likes to play with some people's feelings and emotions, right? Okay, she's not easily tamed. Okay, this red candle right here, I'm kind of like towards the left side of the screen. See me? Okay, it touched this price point, and then it touched it and it came right back up. Okay, because that means there were buyers here. Okay, that's what that candle is representing. Okay, so and then later when it came back to this level here, it didn't go down any further. Why? Buyers bought it back upward. Okay, so there was support here. So if we go below $16, you should have some more support at $14.60. If we drop below that, that's another video, because like we haven't done that in a while. This is February here and further back. So I'm not even trying to go into what happened last year. Okay, so let's just see, like I said, if we slow down and everything and move up. So now we looked at our CEO guy. So this is the guy who's leading the show and everything. And now this is the first quarter 2024 results right here. Just wanted to show you that so you can have some time to look at that. Okay. And I want to leave you. I'm going to give you some moment to look at it. All righty. Take it in. You can take a screenshot of this. You can take a photo of the screen if you need that. And I want to leave you with this. Okay. He needs no introduction. Okay. So there's no introduction needed. I don't need to say his name. Everybody in the world knows his name. His quote is, "If you do the work, you get rewarded." Okay. If you do the work, you get rewarded. Simple as that, people. You do the work, you'll get rewarded. Yeah, sometimes you're going to get hurt. See that little thing on his eye? Yeah. Sometimes you're going to fall. Sometimes you're going to lose. He was never worried about losing. That's the only way you'll get better, succeed. You got to be okay with failure and just do it again and work harder. If you do the work, you get rewarded. Hey, do the work, guys. Do the work. Do the work. You know, we got to hey, do the work. Find out, find out and let's see. All righty, because I mean, come on. This was how much right there? Yeah. I love doing the work. I find things like this all the time. If you like this kind of information, click like and subscribe. I'll see you next time on What? Anything That Moves. Bye for now.